Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn two super important data structures, stack and queue. These concepts are used everywhere in programming, and I'll explain them in very simple, everyday language. So let's start. A stack is a simple data structure where you add and remove items from the top only. Think about a stack of plates. You always put a plate on top, and you always take the top plate off. This idea is called LIFO, which means last in, first out. In a stack, we use two main actions: push, which means putting an item on the top, and pop, which means removing the top item. You can also peek, which lets you check the top item without taking it out. The main idea is simple. Everything happens at the top. We see stacks in real life and in technology all the time. Undo and redo buttons in apps work like a stack. The back button in a browser is also a stack. And in programming, the call stack keeps track of function calls. All of these follow the LIFO rule. The last thing that goes in is the first that comes out. Now let's talk about queues. A queue is almost the opposite of a stack. Here, items are added at the back and removed from the front. This follows the FIFO rule, which means first in, first out. It's just like people standing in a line. The first person in the line is the first person served. A queue mainly uses two actions: Enqueue, which means adding an item to the back, and Dequeue, which means removing an item from the front. You can also peek to see what's at the front. The first item that enters the queue is always the first one to leave. We have queues everywhere around us: people waiting at a shop, print jobs waiting in a printer, and even operating systems use queues to schedule tasks. Anything that works on a first-come, first-served method is a queue. Finally, let's compare them. A stack uses LIFO, and you work with one end, the top. A queue uses FIFO, and you work with two ends, the front and the back. Stacks are great for things like undo, backtracking, and nested tasks. Queues are perfect for managing tasks in order, like scheduling or message processing. So that's the simple explanation of stacks and queues. If this video helped you understand the concepts, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below if you want more easy explanations like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.